Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add text behind a moving object in CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to select your object and you're going to copy and paste that. Select remove background and select auto removal. Select text and you're going to add in the text underneath your videos like so. And I'm just going to type in apples. Then I'm going to change the font and I'm going to change the color so you guys can see it. Maybe add in like a little bit of space between the characters so you can kind of see it, but here you'll be able to see it a little bit better when he moves kind of out like here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.